If you're in the process of shopping for solar panel options for your home, then you're going to want to make sure you watch today's video announcement because we're offering a generous $1,000 cashback incentive for our 2022 President's Day sale. Hi everyone, Joe Ordia here for Solar Surge, and for the past 9 years I've been helping families achieve energy independence using clean, renewable energy. Now here at Solar Surge we always try to come to you with the best offers for the holidays, and so I'm proud to announce today, February 21st, 2022, we are offering the President's Day sale $1,000 cash back at install incentive. Now folks, this incentive is for new solar system purchases only with a minimum of 10 solar panels. Now guys, the good news is if you've been in the process of shopping for solar, maybe you already have quotes, or of course if you need a quote, you can always request one on the website there below. But one of the great things about right now is we have still not had to raise our prices yet for 2022. Now you may recall my previous video talking about solar price hike imminent, and that's because we know that our supply costs are going up. However, we still have inventory of some of the top brands of solar panels, so whether you're looking at LG, Silfab, Qcells, we do still have panels in inventory that we can sell at the 2021 price. However, some of the most popular panels are already sold out. So for example, if you were looking at the LG Neon 2, which is sort of LG's middle of the road price point panel, those are already sold out, and I'm afraid they're not coming back, or when they do come back, they're probably going to be at a slightly higher price, probably about 20 cents per watt higher price. However, we do have the premium LG Neon R solar panel still available at the 2021 price. So guys, this sort of supply availability is changing on a weekly basis, but we will do our best to keep you up to date. But with this week's President's Day incentive, you can take advantage of that $1,000 cash back at install offer starting today, February 21st, going all the way through to the end of the month. Now folks, the other thing I should mention, particularly for those of you that are in Northern California, SMUD is going to be changing its net metering rules at the end of the month. So if you're a SMUD customer in Northern California and you want to lock in on the current net metering program, again, make sure if you need to get a quote, definitely you can reach out to us on the website and request one there. Or if you've already gotten a couple quotes, just need a comparison to make sure you're getting a good deal. Again, feel free to reach out to us on the website. You can chat with one of our system designers or one of our consultants here and just make sure that you have some good options available for you. Well folks, as always, thank you for taking time to tune into the Solar Surge channel today. If you're getting good value from the information we have, consider subscribing to the channel. That way you'll stay up to date with us as we put the new videos out. Right now we're actually working on getting 2 to 3 new videos out per week. Also tomorrow I'm flying out up to Boston to the RE+ Northeast Solar Regional Conference. So we're going to be meeting with a lot of the manufacturers to get an idea of what new products and capabilities are going to be coming out in 2022. Well, I thank you again for taking the time to view with us today. As always, I'm Joe Ordia, encouraging you to get prepared and be empowered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.